Students, if you get up early in the morning and if you peep out of your window and you see a very beautiful scenery where you can see sun is rising, there are beautiful flowers, greenery all around, how will you feel? You will feel very energetic and you will feel very fresh, right, after seeing this view. See, as in the picture also here, you can see there is a picture where it is written good morning, the sun rising, trees, greenery all around. After seeing this picture, it is very soothing to our eyes and we feel very nice, right? So today the poem that I took to explain is Poem of the One World. So students, here whenever you see a word POEM, you always spell it as poem, right? But the correct pronunciation of it is poem. So today we are going to study about a poem, that is Poem of the One World, where the poet will tell you about what happened when she got up in the morning and she saw this beautiful scenery. This morning, the beautiful white heron was floating along above the water. That means she's saying this morning when she got up, she saw a beautiful white heron. Heron is a bird which has very large legs. As you can see in the picture, was floating along above the water. जैसे उसने विंडो खोली, उसने देखा there was a white heron who was floating along and above the water. Then into the sky of this, the one world we all belong to. And then she said, when she looked into the sky, she thought that this is the only one world where we all belong to. That means no matter where a person is, a person if he's in Japan, India, Australia, anywhere, if we look into the sky, we'll see that we all are connected together. This whole world is one and we all belong to that one world. Again, you can see a heron here, where everything sooner or later is a part of everything else. That means, see, this heron right now, what is he doing? He's eating a fish. For his living, he's eating this fish क्योंकि उसे जिंदा रहना है, and that is their food. So in this life, हर एक चीज़ एक दूसरे चीज़ का पार्ट होती है. Which thought made me feel for a little while quite beautiful myself. So when she opened the window, उसने देखा ये सारी चीज़ें, and then she saw heron holding something, तो उसने ये भी सोचा कि in this world something where everything sooner or later is a part of everything else. मतलब लाइफ में कुछ ना कुछ किसी का पार्ट होते रहता है. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, अगर हम फ़िश को देखें, फ़िश अपने तालाब में घूम रही थी, and then what happened? A heron saw it and started eating it. अब heron ने क्यों खाया? Because it is his food, right? So that is the reason why she is saying that it is a part of the world, and this thought, when she thought about it, it made her feel beautiful inside. Because when you see, अगर आपको एक ऐसे नज़ारा मिले जहाँ आप ये सारी चीज़ें एक्सपीरियंस कर सकते हो, देख सकते हो, you feel beautiful inside and out. So this is a very short poem which is telling you about the nature, that what happens in the morning when you get up and see a beautiful scenery, and then how do you feel? Your day goes very nice, and if you have positive things in your mind, everything will be good.